Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. This shocking crash shows how one careless driver and out-of-limit speed can turn safety into brutal accident. The police officer barely escapes alive. When this heated argument turns into a full-on fight, these women forget the road and start their own drama. Thank goodness the crowd jumps between them before it becomes a wrestling match. This delivery boy learns a brutal lesson in road anger. Watch his instant regret when his bike gets crushed after challenging a larger vehicle, proving that rage always loses in the end. When you are absolutely certain you don't trust the engine, this woman driver innovates a new, low-speed method of parking that is pure dedication to the struggle. This driver chooses to park on top of two cars despite an empty lot, then escapes like a superhero from a movie scene. This driver just learned that blocking the sidewalk turns your vehicle into a temporary, expensive, and widely used public bridge. This is lesson for everyone: don't block the crosswalk place. This delivery boy on ice deserves an award. He can't climb, he can't stand, but that package. Perfectly delivered, respect for the effort. These driver proves that a little patience goes a long way. Instead of getting angry, they are slowly showing the bad parker how to safely exit a nightmare. This driver just got a crucial lesson. Driving on ice demands patience, and sometimes the only way out is a massive tow truck and some heavy lifting. This woman clearly thinks she's above the law, arguing with the police over her clearly terrible parking job instead of just taking the ticket. When the tow truck driver forgets to secure the vehicle, this car makes a dramatic, unauthorized escape and introduces itself to the nearest tree. Watch this hilarious revenge attempt using cheap tape. The angry driver's weak materials make his parking revenge the joke of the street. This driver's parking revenge ends in a shameful escape. He rams a parked car, but turns into a sprinting coward the second the owner shows up.